Introduction and Cell Biology. Paper 1 focuses on speed and precision. It is important to note that the surface area to volume ratio constrains cell size. As a cell increases in size, its volume expands more rapidly than its surface area. For quick recall, remember, protoplasts are devoid of a cell wall. Prokaryotes possess 70S ribosomes, while eukaryotes contain 80S. Familiarize yourself with organelles. Mitochondria produce ATP. Rough ER is responsible for protein synthesis, and the Golgi apparatus is involved in packaging and modification. Molecular biology and enzymes. Water plays a crucial role in life, facilitated by hydrogen bonding, which results in cohesion, adhesion, and a considerable specific heat capacity. Regarding enzymes, they reduce activation energy, thus accelerating reactions. Be aware of inhibitors. Competitive inhibitors attach to the active site, whereas non-competitive inhibitors bind to the allosteric site, altering the enzyme's conformation. It is essential to remember that DNA is antiparallel, with synthesis occurring strictly in the 5'3" direction. Energy flow. Respiration and photosynthesis. In cell respiration, glycolysis transpires in the cytoplasm, while the Krebs cycle and electron transport chain take place within the mitochondria. In the absence of oxygen, humans generate lactate, while yeast produces ethanol and CO2. For photosynthesis, light-dependent reactions occur in the thylakoid, and the light-independent Calvin cycle happens in the stroma. It is crucial to keep in mind that rubisco serves as the enzyme that fixes CO2. Genetics, meiosis, and evolution. Meiosis facilitates genetic variation through crossing over during prophase 1 and independent assortment at metaphase 1. In higher-level genetics, consider dihybrid crosses. If the offspring ratio deviates from 9:3 to 3:1, it suggests that the genes are likely linked on the same chromosome. Furthermore, evolution is primarily driven by natural selection, acting on heritable variations within populations. Human physiology and the nervous system. Within the circulatory system, the left ventricle represents the most muscular chamber. In the context of neurons, the resting potential measures -70 millivolts. Action potentials are initiated by sodium ion influx during depolarization, followed by potassium ion efflux during repolarization. Hormones such as insulin lower blood sugar, glucagon raises it, leptin suppresses appetite, and melatonin regulates the sleep-wake cycle. HL extensions, plants and kidney. In botanical systems, xylem transports water through transpiration and tension, while phloem facilitates the movement of sugars via translocation under high pressure. In the kidneys, ultrafiltration occurs within the glomerulus, facilitated by high pressure. Selective reabsorption takes place in the proximal convoluted tubule. Finally, ADH enhances the permeability of the collecting duct to water, thus concentrating urine during dehydration. Final exam. Pro tips. To excel in Paper 1, apply the rule of elimination. Immediately disregard the two most apparent distractors. Exercise caution with your units, as the IB frequently alternates between nanometers and micrometers. Most importantly, avoid overthinking. The simplest biological explanation is often the correct one. Best of luck.